What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're doing our daily update on Onyxcoin XCN, which is up 9.98% at 2.6 cents. We talked about the possible retracement to 1.7. We still have not broken above our prior high yet. This is kind of like a double top situation, which I will go over in the TA. On top of that, if you guys do like 100x gem coins, I did just post a video on one called Super Saiyan Trump before this video. So if that's something you guys are interested in, make sure you check out that video. But with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Onyxcoin. All right, everybody, let's get into Onyxcoin right here. This is what we had predicted yesterday. I mean, technically, we're still not wrong yet because we haven't broken out of the prior high of 30 cents. It kind of is experiencing a double top right now. You have a one top, two top, and you're seeing a retracement. M's in crypto are bearish, W's in crypto are bullish. Remember that, guys. This does seem more like a fake out because look at the MACD. The MACD isn't as large as we were prior. We didn't make large engulfing candles or anything like that. We're pretty low on the MACD right now, which leads me to believe we don't have the momentum to smash through this high. On top of that, the RSI did retrace pretty heavily from when I said, hey, might be a good time to take some profit. That's what the RSI VSWAP saying, flashing red. So that kind of flashed there, and you can kind of see that M starting to take effect here on the VSWAP. You did get the sell signal on the WTX, and you are starting to tail back down. So yes, we might have rallied a little bit on the intraday compared to just straight retracement, but the end result is still the same in my personal opinion. I think we're going down a little bit more before we start rallying back up. Now if we look at the stock RSI, this is the one thing, blue is back over orange, but it's looking like blue is about ready to cross under orange. So when blue is over orange, that's when you're bullish. And if we just look at the prior history of this coin, it normally after it touches the high of like 99, it normally comes all the way back down to like 83. We're not even close to being there yet. I mean, look at if I draw this horizontal line right here, we touched it to a T, guys. Look at, you touched it here, retrace all the way back down. You touched it here, retrace all the way back down. You touched it here, retrace all the way back down. Touched it here, all the way back down. Here, all the way back down. So history doesn't repeat, but it sure does rhyme. So right now, I think this is a little bit of a bullish fake out. I think we're going to be waiting for the stock RSI to come down here, and that would be the most optimal time to pick up Onyxcoin right now. I know the FOMO is there, guys. I know the FOMO is there. People saying, oh my gosh, I sold down here, it's about ready to take off, about ready to take off. My personal opinion, it's not. I think we're to be seeing a slight retracement even on the day chart. Let's actually clear everything up so we can start fresh here on the day chart. Similar situation on the day chart, guys. Very, very similar situation. If we drop from the high to the low, you can see we do have that support area about that 1.7. Now we do have a larger engulfing candle today, but I'm really not too concerned about that because the other indicators are what I'm really looking at here, which is the stock RSI, not stock RSI, the RSI VSWAP. RSI VSWAP has shown a double top right here, putting in a lower high and still in the red zone, saying, hey, it might be a good time to take some profit on this coin. I mean, the last time we were up this high was back in December of 2023, believe it or not. And back in December 2023 was right here. And look what happened. We retraced. We got a flash red right here. We retraced. And prior to that, we never got red before. Now, this is a very nice reversal for the coin. I will not deny that. And overall, this looks like a massive W, but you're not going to go straight up forever. Overall, I am bullish. I don't want to make this sound like a bearish TA on the coin. This coin is absolutely in a parabolic phase of the bull right now, but it's just in the short term you are going to be experiencing some volatile movement, and you will the entire way up. It's just the overall momentum is going to be bullish. You got that? So what I'm gonna be looking for here is still a possible wick down to that 1.7 here for Onyxcoin, guys. We saw that breakout. We're currently testing it. A lot of indicators are overbought right now. It's just the support that we need to look at. Now, it's not going to hard crash on there. If anything, it's going to see a wick. I mean, if you look at the 1 hour, the 1 hour is already confirming our stance on it. The MACD is working towards the bearish crossover. The RSI is high. The WTX is tailing back down. And the stock RSI is in a free fall. So even on the short term, it's already indicative of what's going to be happening here in the longer term. So I'd be keeping an eye on retracement back down to 2 cents with a wick down to probably 1.7 to finish off this M-shaped pattern right here. And then we can start rallying higher to the upside. So with that, guys, none of this is financial advice. And if you like 100x gems, I did post a pump.fun 100x gem possible play and why I think it is in my prior video. So I'll catch you guys on the next time on Charting Crypto.